Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I will show you if you are given a number. So if you have to find the first digit of the number, so here is the code for this. So I am using Java for this code. So I already did the code and I will explain you how I did the code. So it is basic. I create a class and main class. I import scanner class into it. Then I put two variables x and y. Then I use while method. So in this method x must be greater than 0. So in while I just put two lines. So first of all, y equal to x remainder 10. In the second line, x equal to x divided by 10. Now I run the code. So just think I put a number, random number, then I press enter. Then here first digit is 9. So here is the basic code. Count first digit of the number. So I did it with operation method. You can also do math.io method or pow method to did it. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you face any problems, so just comment me.